stand up. Stand all the way up like you were doing. Look at you. Look at you standing all the way up like a big girl. Can't get a good angle from this side though. There you are. Look at that. Look at you. Good job, baby. Good job. You want to play with something else now? You going to scoot around? You found something different? Ooh. Look at you standing up like a big girl. Are you starting to get upset? Are your legs getting tired, huh? You found a new toy? What? Uh-oh. Okay, well, say bye-bye. I just wanted to show Daddy how you were standing up. Look at that. Look at that. Stand. Yay. Good job, Abigail. Good job. Okay. All right, we'll stop. Say bye-bye, Dad.